This video is only for education and information purpose. Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Facebook account if you have seen this kind of message in your Facebook app like your account has been locked and due to unusual activity on your account, then how you can unlock. So keep watching this video, and after watching this video you can easily unlock your account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do that you need to uninstall your application of Facebook, okay, from your phone. If you're using iPhone, then you need to uninstall your application, and if you're using Android, then you need to also uninstall your application. Okay, and once you reinstall your application, you will see this kind of window on your screen. You need to enter your phone number or email ID and your password, and once you try to log in, and it will show you again this kind of window your account blocked due to unusual activity, and you will see this button like get started button. Okay, so you will also see this button like get started button. So in that case, now you need to click on get started, and once you click on get started, it will ask you that you need to confirm your account details and all. So once you click on confirm, that is it is your account, and you need to click on next. And once you click on next, you need to click on confirm your identity, and once you click on confirm your identity, you need to enter your, you can say like, email address, and your, you can say like, your valid ID proof. So in the valid ID proof, what kind of ID you need? You need any kind of valid ID like your PAN card or like your, you can say, Aadhaar card. Okay, so if you have any kind of government ID available, then you need to provide your government ID, but make sure your face and your name and your date of birth should be very clear in that email, or you can say in that you can say ID. Okay, if the photo, or you can say like, if the, you can say like, photo or anything is missing, then you are not able to log in into your account. You need to provide very clear, you can say, ID proof. Okay, so the ID clear, once you enter your details, you need to click on next, and once you click on next, you need to provide your email address and confirm your email address, and then you need to click on next. Okay, and once you click on next, it will show you some details related to this. You need to choose any kind of, you can say, option like passport, driving license, or national ID. You can choose any ID which you have. You can select anyone, and then you need to click on next. And once you click on next, you need to upload your ID photo. Make sure the ID photo should be clear. Okay, once you click upload, and once you upload the photos and all, it will see look like this one, and you need to click on in the end submit button. And once you click on submit button, it will show you some message related to this, like they will you can say like apply you, they will contact you within 24 hours, and they will you can say like verify your identity and all, and after verification they can like unblock your account. Okay, you can check your Facebook account after 24 hours, or you can say after 36 hours. Okay, and that's it. By using this method, you can easily unlock your Facebook account. And if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video. Bye dear, bye bye.